everyone, Magnolia May DeSolay here with a quick flip through of one of my old pocketbooks that I turned into a traveler's notebook after Hallie did a video on how to turn your pocketbooks into traveler's notebooks. I'll link that down below. But anyway, so you can tell how old this is because I used to keep my little flip phone in here, and but you know, leopard never goes out of style, so it's always classy. So anyway, this part used to be around here, but I didn't really need it from a pen, so I put it on the side, and then I took, this is actually a button that I took that clipped, it's because it's plastic, but I clipped the little loopy thing on the back and just glued it on down there, and I think it come up real nice because it kind of looks like one of them wax seals that they put on the old-time letters. And so there's the back, and then I added this little popcorn, well, it's not popcorn trim, whatever this is called, this kind of trim, but you know, it makes it pop, so I call it popcorn. Anyway, and then there's the spine, and I got, see there, got a little M for Magnolia, and I got a little bit of bling there, and then there's the back. And if I'd known this was going to be such a transformation, I would have had before pictures, but this used to have two compartments. One was, and I'll show you what I pulled out, cut out of here. So part of it was a little ring binder, and then the other part was a wallet, and it had these little strappy things here. So I just cut all that out, and let's go on in, and here's the inside. So I just secured the back of this with some duct tape, which got that at the craft store. And you know, my husband George was working on something. He says, honey, go grab me some duct tape, and I brought him this, and he was like, what is this? Good gravy. Anyway, so I made this insert with by decoupaging a napkin onto some cardstock, and this was just real pretty. That came with the napkin. I didn't even just have to add that. And then I have this pretty trim again, and then here's the inside, and I put this is tissue paper that I Mod Podged on the back. And then I was just lazy, so I just added cream colored paper to this one. And so let's just go to the next insert, and then I just added, well, y'all can tell that I have went and fell down the junk journal rabbit hole with the lace and the trim and all of that. But so this is another one of them pretty napkins that I Mod Podge decoupaged onto. Now this wasn't cardstock, this is actual wallpaper, and I did on the back of that, and then some more cream color paper, and then you'll get to see my sort of retro inspired theme before I went all vintage. So I went from retro to vintage, but anyway, and so then there is the back, and so that's it. And I'll be having another video coming up shortly about junk journaling, but in the meantime, just leave any questions or comments down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!